Hello, beautiful. This is Mommy Kira. Get ready with me as I produce 25 liters of Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. This is a Promix Snow White lotion. Okay, I'm producing it for a client in Saudi Arabia. She said, Mommy Kira, produce 25 liter for me because I have a very demanding customers. Those customers, they want to whiten their skin. They want to go to party like 2 weeks, they'll start seeing results. That is what she said to me. I said, okay, I'm going to film it so that my followers, my beautiful fans will see how I produce them, how I mix everything. This lotion will not give no knuckle, no white patches, no white dots, no blemishes, no discoloration. Instead, it will uniform your skin and make your skin very light and white. If you are a fair skin, it will work way faster. Okay, she said, Mommy Kira, make sure this thing is very, very strong. I told her, okay, if you want it to be very strong, okay, you're going to get our Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. This is our Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. You can see it. I'm videoing it. I'm showing it to her. You understand? She says she wants 4. Okay, I told her she's going to get 4 of the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Okay, 1 liter, 4. We're going to put it inside the 25 liters of our Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. You understand me? We'll have this serum is amazing. This Secret White serum is very strong, very effective. If you are producing, okay, and your production is not working, use it. If you have a demanding customer that is always complaining, your cream is good, but I want it to be very strong and whitening, no white patches, no white dot, no stretch mark, get our Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, or our Secret White Strong Whitening Oil is on our website. Soon we'll be having it on bottle, small bottle. But for now, it comes in 500 ml and 1 liter for producers, people that promise, people that produce it. You can use this on your cream base, on your organic base cream. It will be very active. You understand? And this, you can't compare this with any other serum in the market. You understand? Then she said, Mommy Kira, I want this container. This is a foreign 500 ml container. You understand? You know, we source out product for customers. You understand me? When the customer say they want something, they tell Mommy Kira, I source it out for them. You understand me? She said, I want this 500 ml bottle. Then we washed it. We use our rubbing alcohol for no bacteria, no infection, nothing. Okay, everything is clean properly. We washed it and we sterilized it. Okay, I'm going to fill the 25 liters the lotion inside this container. Okay, she said, Mommy Kira, make sure is properly sealed, okay, because no spillage. We have to do it so that it's going to come out well. See, I'm showing her the 500 ml bottle. Okay, this bottle is amazing and it's very beautiful. It's a foreign bottle. If you want yours, go to my website www.kirasecret.com. All this bottle is there on my website. Okay, you can buy. Okay, if you want to go into wholesale deal, chat Mommy Kira. I'm the #1, the champion. I will produce for you. Okay, I will produce. If you want us to put it in bucket, then you package it yourself. Fine. If you want Mommy Kira to package it for you, I'm the #1, the champion. Now my work, I will do it. Okay, and package it. Then you put your own sticker or your label. Make money with ease. Okay, and our product is very affordable. You can buy our Snow White. This Snow White I'm producing for her is the promised one. It's a little bit pricey, but very, very effective. Okay, they have the Snow White Organic. If you want me to activate that one, fine. That one price is different from this one I'm producing for a client. But this is super strong and super whitening. Okay, and these are the lovely containers. I'm showing it to her. Okay, she said she like it. Okay, I want to mix the lotion. You know, anything Mommy Kira is doing, I'm very transparent. Okay, this is the 25 liters of the Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. Okay, I'm showing her the I'm pouring the Secret White serum inside the 25 liters. You can see it. I'm showing her, I'm doing it, you know, because she said, Mommy Kira, I want it to be whitening. I want my customer, because she has a very demanding customer in Saudi Arabia. Those customers want a very clean complexion. This is not the first time she's buying from us. She has been buying from me for a long time, you know, but I just say, let me video this one and show my amazing subscriber. You guys should go and get your Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Stop losing customers. you can produce and get this serum. Miss it. You can't compare this serum with skin-free milk, gluta-C, double gluta. You cannot. This is very thick. Very thick. I'm just saying it. And it's very, very strong. Very, very. You can't use this Secret White Serum and have any skin discoloration. Never. Instead, it will uniform it. Your customer will come back. It's guarantee. Okay, it's guarantee. We produced for her and it worked for our client. Then she said, Mommy Kira, she want the Secret White Serum inside her formulation. And that is how we've been doing it for her. You can see it. I'm showing her. I've used the first one. I've poured the first bottle inside. The second 1 liter. The third 1 liter. And I want to pour the fourth liter inside. You know, Mommy Kira is #1, the champion, and she's so happy. You know, I will encourage you guys to patronize me or go to the website and place your order. But if you want to do private labeling, if you want me to produce for you, tell me what you want. I will produce what you want. You understand me? If you want it I'll produce in a safe way. I produce in a safe way. You know I'm the #1, the champion. Please let me know. Be it lotion, be it face cream, be it shower bath, be it soap. Chat Mommy Kira up on WhatsApp. If you have money, chat me up. Okay, if you are very, very ready for me to produce for you. We ship worldwide. I have my logistic. You understand? Kirasecret Logistic. You can follow me on Instagram at Kirasecret Logistic. We ship worldwide at your doorstep. 3 to 5 working days. We generate tracking number for you. But when you're an wholesaler, you are reselling, I normally know what to use for you so that the shipping will not be expensive, because for now shipping is a little bit high, you know. But if you're buying and you are reselling, I know the shipping line I will use for you so that you will have more profits when I produce for you, and the item will get to you at your doorstep, be it US, be it London, be it Europe, be it France, be it Sweden, be it Switzerland, be it any Europe country, US, Canada, anywhere. Mommy Kira will produce. Look, you can see I'm showing her. This is the 4 bottle. I've poured it inside the 25 liters of our Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. You know I'm very transparent. We're going to mix this right now. Immediately I mix it, okay, I'm going to fill it into a beautiful container that she said, Mommy Kira, I want. Okay, I'm showing it. This is it. I've put it inside the bottle. Okay, you can see I got 53 bottles for her. You can see how beautiful this container is. My camera is not doing justice. If you see this, if you see it, it's amazing. Okay, we're going to ship for her the following day. Okay, guys, what are you waiting for? If you watch up to this part, please like my video. You know, Mommy Kira is the #1, the champion. I don't deceive people. I say it how it dey be. You understand me? Trust me. Anything you want, be it 5 liters, be it 10 liters, be it 15 liters, be it 20 liters, be it 25. This what I've just produced is 25 liters. Be it 25 liters, be it 30 liters, be it 40. Just chat me up. Even though you want to buy small, you can buy 250 ml. Any sizes you want is on my website at www.kirasecretskin1.com.